Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Bruh, WONHO's back.
That brother's starving.
I'm scared. In a good way. If you wanna what, my boy?
What?
If you wanna what? My God, I'm gonna like this already. Hold up, like this. Yo, what's up? It's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. Call me Dre. What's up, y'all? It's been a minute, WONHO. How you doing? Why am I talking to camera like WONHO's watching this? He not. He better not watch any of my thirst. WONHO, if you watch this, click off the video. But if you're not WONHO, hit that like button. Share this video. The boy's been busy on Patreon. Sometimes I go on Twitch live streams. You guys gotta be there. If you haven't followed my Patreon, what are you doing? Link in the description. If you haven't been watching me live stream here and there, what are you doing? Link in the description. Also, I got Discord as well. It's a great community in there. But without further ado, let's check out some WONHO. If you wanna. Oh, Lord.
If you wanna.
Oh my God. Oh no. A neck tattoo? Oh, it says if you wanna. If you want a lightning. Right. Black card on Max. Okay. We be what?
Cut the cameras.
No, wait. What is? Hold up. Oh, he better stop playing. God damn, he big. He just big, bro. Like, bro, his whole damn.
That you could.
Why give me like Lloyd vibes? You know what I'm saying? Like old school R&B. What? If you wanna slide no strings. I don't know what that meant to you. No strings attached. Y'all little kiddies don't know about that. Stop. This man is trouble. What? Backseat action? We can get it like listen, I know I am pausing. I know a lot of y'all hate it when that happens. Like y'all complain sometimes, most times. But you can click the link in the description to see the music video without me interrupting. Wait, why? Oh, this snaps, bro. This is some sexy body roll type shit. I love that WONHO is just continuing to produce just music and his artistry. Pulling up. They ain't showing up. I mean, I like me some gold. I might not be that materialistic, but if you pulling up, shit, I come through too. Why am I talking to the camera like he watching me? He not. If you wanna dance both ways, I'd send your pay when your ex ain't showing up. Low but on a dollhouse like out the passenger side like Vegas cowgirl the city lights. What? Give you that, yeah, if you wanna. Low but on a dollhouse like out the passenger. Boy. Oh, he on fire. What? You just gonna end like that? Oh my God, he ate with that. WONHO ate with that. What the fuck? I was like, all up my alley. You made this for me. My Delulu mind is gonna be saying that he made that for me. Probably made it for you too, trust. Now, WONHO had me at. What? And you gonna lay down right? All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think of If You Want to Buy a WONHO. This dropped out. This just dropped recently. Go support it. Link in the description for the whole music video. Go stream it. He looked good as always. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below. Patreon, Twitch live streams, Discord, IG, TikTok, you name it. Second channel up right now, Dre Day. Go follow it. Sorry, that's a diabolical pause. I can look at that all day. Anyways, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.